Iowa nurses renew their licenses every 3 years. However, the first renewal after initial licensure is 2 years plus the number of months to the birth month. Some people have trouble setting up or accessing their online accounts. This video will describe how to create or access an online user account through the IBON online services. A license application requires a computer with internet access and then filling out the online forms according to the prompts. You should allow at least 15 minutes to complete this process. Have your credit card ready to complete the transaction. Using the online system is the most efficient way to apply for a nursing license. Go to the internet browser you usually use, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Safari. Access the board's website and then IBON online services. Select the process or application you need to complete. You will now see the BON sign-in page. If you have ever done business online with any state agency, such as for college aid, you would use the same account ID that you have already created. Otherwise, all license-related processes begin with user registration, including updating contact, employment, or educational information. Click on Create an Account. Enter your first and last name. Click Register. The registration automatically combines first and last names into a suggested user ID and appends @IowaID if it is not already in use. If the ID field is blank, the ID has already been used and you will need to create your own account ID. Anything can be substituted ahead of the @ sign, but the ID is permanent, so it will need to be memorable. Once you have entered your email address twice and you click on the Save Account Details, you will receive a pop-up box that gives a final caution. Click OK if you are ready to proceed. After successfully creating an ID, entering the email address twice, and clicking Continue, the screen will advise you that an email has been sent with the information to complete the registration. Note, there is a time limit of 48 hours to complete the registration. The email you receive will include a link to return to the registration site to verify that the email address is a real one. Clicking the link in the email returns you to a screen like this, where you will complete the registration by selecting Security Questions and Answers. Click Save Identity Baseline. Next, you are required to set a new password. Make sure you use a password you can remember, following the password rules at the bottom of the screen. Keep the password in a safe place where you can retrieve it for future use. Click Save New Password. The registration is complete and you will be taken to a screen where you can now log in. The process you just went through should only be required once. After this, a licensee will use an existing account. You are now ready to follow the online prompts.